Hi, at Standard Scholarship student. Today we are going to see parts of speech. 13 number topic. In that first one, noun. Noun means the definition of noun, the word which is used as the name of a person, a place, a thing, a bird, a plant, an animal, and emotion is called noun. व्यक्ती, वस्तू, ठिकाण, पक्षी, प्राणी आणि भावना यांच्या नावाला नाम असे म्हणतात. Sample questions C. Choose from the alternatives the number of nouns used in the following sentence. Funny stories of Nasruddin are told in many countries. In that sentence, stories, Nasruddin, and countries, these are the nouns. So, the three nouns in that sentence, the second number option is the correct. Second, choose two nouns from the following alternatives. पुढील पर्यायातून दोन नामे निवडा. Produced, productions, product, producing. In that produced, this is the verb. Producing, this is the noun. Product, this is noun. And producing, this is the verb. So option number second and third is the correct option. Production and product. Choose the correct noun form of the verb lose. Lose या क्रियापदाचे योग्य नाउन रूप निवडा. In that lost, loss, lose, loosely. The correct option is second, loss. Noun form of the verb lose is loss. The second option is correct. Fourth one, choose the correct noun form of the adjective strong. Strong या विशेषणाचे योग्य नाउन रूप निवडा. Stronger option, strength option, strongest third option, strongly fourth option. In that correct option is second one, strength. Noun form of the adjective strong is strength. So second option is the correct option. Then questions for practice. First question, find the odd man out. In that weakness, happiness, kindness, useless. The odd is the fourth one, that is useless. सी या ह्याच्यामध्ये विकनेस, वीक या ॲडजेक्टिव्हपासून नाउन तयार केलेलं आहे. हॅपी या ॲडजेक्टिव्हपासून नाउन तयार केलेलं आहे हॅपीनेस. काइंड या ॲडजेक्टिव्हपासून नाउन तयार केलेलं आहे. यूज हे वर्ब आहे, यूजपासून वर्बपासून त्या ठिकाणी नाउन तयार केलेलं आहे. द फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, यूजलेस. देन सेकंड वन, चूज द ऑड पेअर. वेगळी जोडी निवडा. प्राऊड, प्राईड. ill, illness. Short, long. Present, presence. Third option, short, long. This is the odd pair. Then select the number of nouns from the following sentence. Many people believe that if a cat crosses your path, then your work will not be done. In that sentence, people is the noun, cat, path, and work, these are the noun. So there are the four nouns. So first option is the correct option. Which of the following is not a noun? Health, belief, national, movement. Out of them, it's national, this is the adjective. Nation is noun and national is the adjective. So this is the national is not a noun. Choose the noun from the given alternatives. Beautify, beautiful, beautifully, beauty. In that fourth option, beauty is the noun and others. Beautify, this is the adverb. Beautiful is the adjective. Beautifully, this is the adverb. Choose the correct noun for the word free. Freed, this is verb. Freedom, this is correct noun form. So freely, this is the adverb. Prement, this is another word. So the correct option is freedom. Choose two sentence where underlined words are used as nouns. The correct option is first one. The fisherman had a good catch in the sea. Here is the catch. This is the word used as a noun. So the first option is the correct option. Then last one, फाइंड द ऑड मॅन आउट. वेगळा असलेला शब्द निवडा. बिटर, फेल्युअर, इगर, सिमिलर. इन दॅट second one is the odd man out. The word that is failure.